How to book your Seoul Hotel Room by using mobile app. Okay, let's move on. Okay. How to book your Seoul Hotel Room by using mobile app? First, you are going to install the Seoul Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video here at the description part. The link is as like this. Okay, or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Seoul Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, the icon for this Seoul Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app is like this. Okay, now after you have installed this Seoul Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Seoul hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Seoul for vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay. Okay. So when you go to the Google Play Store, once you install this Seoul Best Travel Tour Guide, you click open and you bring you to this page. This app will be open and will show this Seoul tour. And on the page, the first page, you can see the top row here, the second row hotel booking. Just click on it. Just click on it and it will bring you to redirect you to the page for you to search a hotel in Seoul for you to reserve and booking. Now let me enlarge the page first for you to see it clearly. Okay, now so at the top here, okay, you can search the hotels in Seoul by inputting the check-in date and check-out date and also the rooms for how many persons. Okay, and then you click on search button here, or you can scroll down a bit and scroll to the page and you can see there is a list of hotel at Seoul. Okay, popular Seoul hotels. Okay, and you can browse through this list of hotel list and you can look at the rating, 4-star rating, the point and their review. Fabulous. Let's say for this hotel PJ Myeongdong, and then you can browse through which hotel you prefer and want. Okay, and then you can click on it to select the hotel that you want to book. Okay, now let's say I want to book this okay, let's say I want to book this let me see Hotel Sky Park Central Myeongdong. Let's say I want this. I just click on view deal and it will bring me to this page, Hotel Sky Park Central Myeongdong. You can browse through the picture, the photo of this hotel. See, okay, and you can look at how the hotels look like inside and outside, how's the hotel room and their bathroom, shower room. Okay, and then if you, let's say you like this hotel, you can book this hotel. Okay, of course this page will further show you the hotel facility, the rating, okay, and what are the hotel's features, okay, in general service, okay, and what is the check-in time and check-out time of the hotel. Scroll down further a bit, you can see the rating summary of this hotel and normally who stay here. Okay, this hotel is family is most popular. And then scroll to the bottom a bit and you can see the person who reviewed this hotel. Okay, before you decide to reserve a hotel room and to book this hotel. Okay, once let's say you have decided to book this room. Okay, then you just okay, let's say you decided to book this hotel. Okay, then you have to input the check-in and check-out date to check the travel dates first. Okay, for example, let me select I want to go there on March, book my room on 1st of March until 2nd of March, and then rooms for 2 adults, and I click on this button, check availability and prices to book this hotel. Okay, then it will show me the price in comparison. Okay, through different price, you can see further to compare another 6 websites by clicking this compare 6 website link here, and the system will bring me to another page and show me further different booking hotel booking provider with a different price, and showing me the types of the room available. Okay, let's say I want the best deal price. Let's say I choose, okay, I want to book this standard double room, non-refundable free Wi-Fi, non-refundable free Wi-Fi. Let's say I click here, I want to view this deal, and the system will redirecting me to the priceline.com page to book my hotel room at Seoul. Okay, let's say everything you have to answer the question. Are you traveling forward? No. Okay, let's say no. Then I click search. Okay, then okay, this is the first one. Okay, let's say I agree this. I just click on it. Okay, and then it will bring me to further to the page to reserve the hotel room, Hotel Sky Park Central Hotel Room. Reserve, let's say reserve for 1 night. You can scroll to the bottom of this page and further look at it. Let's say I want to book this standard double room. I just click reserve. Okay, and then I click next step. You say you are almost done. Okay, now this page I have to look at the hotel room booking information. Okay, my check-in date and check-out date, 1st of March until 2nd of March, and then I scroll down to enter my personal detail, my first name, last name, email address. Make sure you input your last name, which is compulsory with a red color asterisk here, and my email address. And then click on the I'm the main guest, or if your booking is for someone else, you click here. Okay, then once you finish input everything, you can input any special request if you want. Okay, I show an example. Let's say my last name is Alex, and my input my email address Alex email.com. Okay, then scroll down to input my phone number, for example. Okay, then scroll down. Let's say you can add your arrival time, but it's optional. I just leave it there. I don't know. So if you have any special request, just write your special request here in English or Korean. Okay, now then I click on the final step. Then it will redirect me to to confirm my booking with the details. Okay, this is the price, the tax, the total price I'm going to pay. Okay, he say congratulations, you have got the cheapest room at Hotel Sky Park Central Myeongdong. Okay, then scroll down to the bottom. Okay, when would you like to pay? Pay now or pay later? Let's say pay now. Okay, I have to input my credit card here to complete my booking, or I can pay later. I can choose to pay later then. Okay, I still have to then input my credit card information here. Once done, I click my booking. Okay, once it is done, okay, then it will show you the page that have confirmed the hotel room booking and email the booking the hotel booking room information to my given email address. Of course, here I'm just demo. I don't put my credit card information here. Okay, so make sure when you fill in the form here, you have to fill in all the required fields before continue. Okay, once you have booked your hotel, then you click done to exit the hotel booking. Now you can further explore this. Okay, so travel tour guide mobile app here. You can click on the top places to look at the top places being visited by tourists in Seoul. Okay, so remember, okay, where to download this Seoul Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, just go to the Google Play Store, or you can scan this QR code, and it will bring you to the Google Play Store to install your Seoul Travel Tour Guide. Okay, now so remember and share this video to your friends who are going to travel in Seoul, South Korea. Okay, and remember to like this video and share it to your friends, and click on the bell ring to notify you if I post a new video next time. Okay, thank you. Okay, goodbye.